a cold, dark skin, light skin, medium tones, pumping braids, got mini afros, big lips, got tips, some of us don't, big nose contours, some of us won't, never wanna pass in a video, bro, wanna fight pretty like a Kardashian, wanna put pretty in my heart, got you.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video we have a unit sent over from Outre. It's a unit from their Perfect Hairline collection and she goes by the name Brielle. The cap construction for this unit is your standard cap construction with 3 combs in total. 1 in the back, 2 in the front with 1 on each side. It also comes with adjustable straps and a pre-attached security band. The parting space for this unit is a 13 by 6, meaning you are going to get 13 inches going across the front of the unit and then 6 inches going straight back for the parting space. Now keep in mind that 6-inch parting space is more so concentrated here in the center, so therefore I would consider it like a compact 13 by 6. A lot of times I feel like I'm like constantly repeating myself in these wig reviews, but in my defense I always want to make sure that I am as thorough as possible because it could be somebody's first time ever coming across the video and I mean they want to know everything, right? Right. Now Miss Brielle does come in an array of colors and of course I'll pop all of those colors up on the screen somewhere. I received the color DR4 Rich Auburn. I almost just said Auburn, but it's definitely Rich Auburn. The DR is standing for dark roots and the number 4 is because the roots are number 4 color. And then obviously the Rich Auburn color is the majority of the unit, which is like this reddish color. This unit came with a really nicely plucked hairline along with baby hairs, as do all of the Perfect Hairline units come, but I pretty much brushed all of my baby hairs back into the unit. I did keep out the ear tab baby hairs and I added a few more and I cut them and whatnot, and that's just so my wig doesn't go flopping in the wind, child. I decided to go in and create like a slight widow's peak on this unit just because I knew I wanted to push all the baby hairs back, so I wanted to make sure that my hairline didn't like look super rounded. I don't really know if you can tell that I created a widow's peak, but I can tell here in the mirror. This unit is 20 inches long, but I'm not gonna lie, for some reason she's just like seems like she's a little bit longer than that. I'm not going to complain about the length though, because as soon as this unit starts to like frizz up, mat up, tangle up at the end, that means I can just cut her and have a brand new or semi brand new unit. According to the stock card, it says that this unit can take up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I want to say I use my flat iron up to 370 degrees, which is a good thing. I'm glad this unit can take heat because it definitely needs it, but we'll talk about that after I show you guys how I installed this unit. Child, I feel like my voice is like fighting for its life in this video, but it's okay. We gonna make it.
Well, bucket, like a pinnacle bull, bucket, wow, bucket, a good night.
Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about my pros and cons for this unit, and of course we're gonna start with my cons first. I want to let y'all know that she tangles, she sheds, she frizzes, and she can get stiff real quick. And yes, I say it all the time, whenever it is a long, curly, synthetic unit, I'm going to expect everything that I just listed, minus the stiffness part. But it's like, geez Louise, I don't expect it to happen this fast. The slightest manipulation to this wig will make it like frizz up so quickly. Like, I was able to bring back the curls by using some Lotta Body on the unit, but then I decided to restyle it, so then I had to like go in through that whole process again, and this is where I ended up, and so I will not be taking her out of this half up half down style. Plus I feel like it's the cutest style out of all of the styles. Earlier I was speaking about how the unit can take heat really well, or at least up to 370 degrees worth of heat really well, and I found that out because like the unit was getting so big, and don't get me wrong, I love me some big hair, but I typically like my hair to be like a frizzy tamed, if that makes sense. This was just looking like a frizzy mess, I'm gonna be completely honest. So then when I decided to use my hot comb to like literally like comb through the unit, that kind of tamed it down some, and I was able to like, well, tame it. Personally, I wouldn't wear this unit like straight down in like a middle part or even a side part, just because I just feel like it can get real messy and big and frizzy, but not in a good way, real quick. And I'm just like, The half up, half down is what's doing it for me. Now let's go ahead and move on to my pros for this unit. And the first one is going to be that she is for sure big head friendly. I don't know why, but for some reason I'm feeling in my soul that like back in the day I would have some perfect hairline units that would be like big head friendly and some that weren't big head friendly. As of late, the ones that I've been trying out, they are for sure big head friendly, which I truly appreciate. My next pro is the fact that the lace melted oh so nicely, which I'm pretty much always going to say when it comes to Outre's perfect hairline and their melted hairline collection. Like, I mean, it's good. It's great for a synthetic unit. Like, let's be real. My last and final pro for this unit is the color blend. I'm absolutely loving this color. It's just like really doing it for me. But then the fact that it does have dark roots and it goes into the lighter color and it like blends so naturally, or so seamlessly rather, I really appreciate that. Like, I can't stand those units where it's just like a choppy blend, you know, where it's like the dark color and then the light color and it's like a harsh line. Like, I can't stand it. I can't necessarily say that this unit is a full-on hit for me necessarily. Now, will I wear her again? Yes, absolutely. But will I get like a ton of wear out of her? Probably not. But I don't know. Maybe I got a unit that wasn't manufactured the best, possibly. I don't know. If you guys have this unit, let me know your experience with it down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell. That way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at Dotson. I'll be sure to leave any information that I can find about this unit down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.